Yo, 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 what's good? What's good? Are we live or what? What's up, everybody? Tune in the chat, right? It's going to be a fun one. Trying to get as much funding as possible on Apex. Live, right? Sounds good. All right, perfect. All right, tune in the chat, people. Who's in here? Don't be some boring bitches, man. Come on. Right. All right. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the likes. Somebody dropping hearts. But I'd prefer you guys to just say a hello so I can see who's in here. Right. We got some interesting stuff going on today. Some setups going on. Maybe USD CAD is in a good zone. GU maybe as well. And futures, let's see. Let's see about futures. Thank you for the hearts. Make sure you drop your likes as well on the video. And let's fucking get it, boys. Let's fucking get it. If you don't know, Apex is doing a crazy promo. $40 per activation fee. Not excluding the fact that there's also 70% off, I believe, on the challenge itself. So, boys, we're going heavy. Going heavy trying to maximize our funding allocation. This level is like daily. Yeah, as you can see, we're coming all over to this imbalance. Just sipping this small little structure. The thing is, it's pretty much bearish. It'd be risky to just buy in like that. DXY, I can still see DXY going a bit higher. You know, there's this liquidity right here on the daily. So yeah, buying EUGU before it's kind of risky. But yeah, I'm just seeing London sweeping this, New York coming to sweep a second time. I mean, yeah, second time, but in the New York session is the first time, then second time. So yeah. Yo, Wick, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's everything, man? How's Nepal holding up? God damn. Yeah, so needless to say, I have too many accounts and I'm gambling a lot. I'm gambling because I don't have much time, bro. It's been all good. Oh, that's awesome. Shit. It's awesome to hear, man. It's awesome to hear. We got 4 people in the chat. Come on, man. But yeah, crazy promo going on in Apex. Just trying to get as much funding. Yeah. You boys love the streams, huh? But let's see how it goes. Gonna do one more season of them. Let's see. Yeah, doing the streams on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at the moment. So yeah, hope you boys like it. Hope you tune in, so we can chat together and trade together. See what the market gives us. You know, we got Tuesdays as they're my best day on futures, I believe. It's either Tuesdays or Mondays. I'm not quite sure which one is which. Perhaps Tuesdays, because Mondays can be dead sometimes. And Thursdays and Fridays, best days for Forex, for my case. So yeah, and like I mentioned, we got plenty of accounts, boys. Look at this. Like, we got 4 funded. I blew this one yesterday. Well, it's not actually blown, it's still here, but there's like $4 in it. Yo, Tambo, what's up? And yeah, we got yeah, 4 challenges that are still fresh. Well, one I'm using it right now, but another 3 that are still fresh. This is risky as London has swept some liquidity, so we can have a huge reaction from this point. But I can also see this become a trap as it's a bit too simple and it is London. And there's still a huge amount of gap to be filled around here. But at the same time, it swept the liquidity, it came to a gap, but during London, and right now it can have a huge reaction up. Could definitely happen, can definitely get stopped out. Too many accounts to just be trading it conservative and nicely. So we just throwing it out there, boys. These accounts are cheap. If you got the capital, which doesn't necessarily need to be a lot, you can just go heavy, and you only take it seriously once it gets to the funded stages, because you don't see me play around once it comes to funded accounts, right? This is just on these challenges, especially if they're cheap and we're going on we have a promo like this. But yeah, who else do we have in here, man, besides these two? If we can get a couple of funding today right on stream, that would be good. Yo, my guy Dino, we're gonna get some funded today or what? 6-figure funded Dino. Sounds good, ain't it? Ready for some TPs? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see, man. Let's see. I mean, you saw what I sent out for NQ, right? And yeah, needless to say, your boy kind of gambling on it, gambling on an opening. Can fail, but I don't really care. But once we do have something like this, then it's a good setup. Yeah, I can't wait to get back on the funded accounts, get some nice setups, and start to get some payouts from it. You adapted the ways of my gambling. Bruh, it's like too many accounts, bruh. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this shit, because I have to be done by tomorrow night. So, and I still got like, we blew one yesterday with the YM playing around. But yeah, I still got 4. That's fresh. I gotta do something, man. I gotta do something, because I'm not keeping them afterwards. Afterwards, I'm going straight to the funded and rotating between them. But if you boys want to try out with Apex, I suggest you do this strategy. Whenever Apex got a discount going on, you take advantage of the challenge. You pay the activation fee like for way cheaper. And once the promo is done, then it's time for you to focus on your fundeds and rotate between them, you know? Just make sure you build a nice foundation, get a nice quantity, you know, of accounts. And then you go on to trade your fundeds as soon as the promo done. These are the times to go hard, and then once the fundeds around, you can rotate between them. Alright. Yesterday I did took a break even on EU, which I don't know how it didn't went to my initial stop loss. Right, I got break even here. And then it would have been a full TP. I was planning on re-entering after we had swept this, and then it would be London close, and could have enjoyed the TP here as a re-entry. And now, did someone take longs yesterday on EU? Or are you guys seeing anything today in the markets? I started looking at futures as well recently, started journaling. Alright, awesome. Well, what are your opinions on it? How do you feel about it in comparison to the Forex pairs? in your style of trading. Thing is that YM can do whatever, but the YM doesn't look that good to go down. It can go up. Yes, has already completed the gap and even came deeper than it. Can also go up. And Q is the one that looks the best to go down, but because of the others, it can also go up. Right? It can also go to this efficiency, to that efficiency. A lot can happen. So far, only taken 2 trades, but it doesn't seem that bad. Okay, 2 trades, but like paper trading. Thought it was like backtesting. Yo, we got 5 likes though, and 5 people watching. Appreciate y'all for that. Okay. I mean, you're gonna like it. The only thing is that you gotta be more risk adverse. You can be stopped out in a matter of seconds. Yeah, you gotta be quick. This is all about action. Do you wait for something on both ES and NQ? As far as strategy, yeah, treat them the same. ES and NQ is like EU and GU. Treat them the same way. And YM is like both, but on steroids. The Dow Jones. We got 2 minutes till opening. It's gonna be crazy, bro. Could we get our first 50K off the live stream? I don't know. What you guys feel about this trade? It was looking nice, bro. It was looking nice. I even thought of almost trailing the stop loss and all that, but come on now. It's whatever. What's good, GMS? What's good? I'm more like if something happened on the queue and that. Oh. Yeah, I would take it, but yeah, same thing as ES and E and the SGU and EU. Whenever you got a setup on one, but the other is telling you that it can still move a bit against you. Yeah, I would keep that in mind. I would perhaps still take it because it might move against me, but it might still respect my stop loss in a sense. Whilst in the other pair, it actually breaks that structure or that thing that I'm seeing. But I think you're smart enough to understand what I mean. But yeah, I do keep that in mind though. I am comparing the two, but depends on how risky it is. Because sometimes one leaves you enough space between your stop loss and your supposed entry, whilst the other is super close to his liquidity. So you might still, even if you're in, you might get some floating drawdown, but then you're safe. Market's about to open in 1. Let's see if it's fast. It's going good. Right? Not too shabby, but can't really tell yet. YM. Bit slow. Yes. Yeah. And but yeah, keep an eye on USD cats. It's sweeping a bit too much to the upside. Right, I might forget about it, but it's in a good zone. And we also got jolts coming up. Jolts, which sometimes they do get a bit crazy. Sometimes they're nothing. Okay, you got it or you don't got it? Because I can illustrate it. No, not like permanently. It's like one of those where it's like it's in a good zone, It's in a good high time frame zone, so I'm looking at it. It's just that I was on a call with my students yesterday, and one of them was looking at USD CAD, and I'm like, okay, it looks good, so I might take it. The thing is that the setup was here yesterday, you know, the black line, and I left this. Well, it didn't sweep it yesterday due to being slow, so it swept it today. I'm looking at it. Perhaps gonna take it because like I haven't taken a well. I did take a forex trade yesterday, but besides that, last forex trade I took was on was at the start of October, like 10 of October or so. So yeah, man, haven't been getting forex trades like that. But I did have some good wins on futures and an amazing week on NQ, as you would have seen on the recent YouTube uploads. Let's see this bitch. It's volatile, bro. It's volatile. Like this, there's two liquidities. There's two liquidities, man. There's all of this resistance and London high. Also, there's London high, London low. Sorry. Which I can see both, like failing. You know. Thing is, like, which one do we go first? Can easily go there. Can easily go there. But my thing is, okay, which one looks better to go to for the common trader? For the common trader, it looks best to go this way, right? We set liquidity. We did this on London. Right now we're coming to test the order block, and it looks perhaps better to go up. That's why I'm selling. Because if it looks good to others to go long, then might as well short. And so let's see, because this bitch right now is floating 1.3k. Honestly, since we're breaking this, can I trail the stop here? Yeah. Could do so. I'll wait and see, because futures gets kind of crazy. But yeah, let's see. Anyone in any positions today already? Or which pairs are you guys currently seeing that might deliver a setup today? And if you would like me to have a look at them. I'm camping the NQ. Yeah. That'll be good, bro. That'll be good for us. For this TP and for a nice little setup afterwards. Yes, looks like it might go to it as well. And YM, bruh, this is the thing with YM. You see what I mean when I say it's on steroids? So I see. Appreciate the fire emoji, GMS. How's trading from your side? YM smoking crack. YM's crazy, bro. And then June, well, Ju and you both deliver the trap. The thing is the zone, and the bias is currently bearish. And as I showed you the DXY, in case he hasn't still swept that major liquidity, it's kind of risky to trade on. Fuck. Had some blow-ups. Damn, what you mean about blow-ups, bro? It's not good. Blow-up accounts? yeah, we going to that liquidity that I've mentioned on the XY. And with NQ, let's see. It's about to take the major high, but I don't like going against the volume, and it might continue going up. So maybe something at line. Yeah. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. The EU and GU just keep going down. Their zones are not the best. They're not so clear, right? It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. And you have the XY high just above it, so might as well do it. Yes, could all have a sweep soon off the low if it hurries. Yeah. But it needs to hurry up a bit more. Let's see if this goes well, because this, wow. It's crazy. But you see, this order block has already been tested multiple times, bro. 1, 2, 3 times. Don't know, man. Leave it to God, man. Tilt emotions, regular. Nah, bruh. That cannot happen, bruh. NQ looks a lot better. Yeah. I mean, NQ is always, it seems to always be the fastest one. But that can't be happening, GMS. Wow. It's going. Yeah, so might as well pay no mind to USD cut for now. Going too high for it. Maybe some London close, right? London bullish, New York being currently bullish, so you might have a London close retracement. Yeah. Nah, but like, hold up. Got a motherfucker texting me. This guy wants. Look at gold. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I mean, he's shorting. He's alright. Well, gold is your favorite to trade. Who, me? Nah. You know not. You know that's not. I'm just saying, I'm just looking at gold because Thomas just texted me to go check gold to look at the candle. So I went on see it, and I'm asking myself if I remember him being on short or not. But he did say yesterday here that he was switching his bias to short. So yeah, I guess the motherfucker was right. But yo, this is too much, bro. This should already be somewhere, you know. It's just the news in a few, I guess. If you're gambling, then just do it. Yeah, but we're gambling, but on shit that we know, that we actually have an edge on. On gold, that would be pure gambling, bro. Gold's even crazier, but yeah. Waiting on the jolts to drop, and we'll see what the market says. But for now, waiting on this to either TP or give me a stop loss. This we're gambling an account, gambling a challenge, right? Just in order to get the funded, just in order to get as much funded as possible during this massive Apex deal that's currently going on. And later on, if we have this, then that's a good buying position from here in case that happens. And yeah, let's see what it does from here, bruh. But I mean, it's looking good to go down though. It's looking good to go down. I might be wrong. And it might stop me out and then come lower later, but yeah. Yeah. Either way, it is a challenge, so who cares, bro? Huh? Take profit? Oh, fuck, I forgot. I forgot. Oh, fuck, bro. I forgot. Fuck. Fuck, bro. I know what happened, bro. Fuck, I forgot about this bullshit. It's the trailing drawdown on equity, right? Cause the motherfucker went here. Motherfucker, bro. A motherfucker. Bro. Yeah, trailing, but on open trades. So I guess because here I was like 2k up, and then here I'm 500 down. That means I lost 2.5k. All right, I lost. Right. Bruh. I have to keep in mind of that. But this because it's the first time I risk this much on the trade, just for a 1-to-1, like 3k stop loss. You know, it's a lot. So that's why. Because normally I just go for 2%. Shit, man. Alright. That's crazy, bro. I thought because it said like take profit reach, or maybe it said cancelled. Yeah, but bruh, we would have just gotten a fat ass down candle. That would be amazing. But man, it's still. I'm wondering if I continue to gamble or not. I mean, of course I'm gonna gamble, but I mean right now, for the for the news drop. Still looks decent to go down. Not gonna lie. After we see some liquidity above, man, trading scam. Who motherfucking? I mean, to keep the prop firms happy, bro. To be harder for the trader. That's it, man. Yes. I think. I mean, I don't think I know. It's very common the trailing drawdown on futures. But yo, that's because I'm risking a lot, guys. Don't don't worry too much about it. Like Apex is still good. It's just that like I was risking a lot. No one will blow one. We got more. We got more on the stock. Let's see, man. But yeah, trailing drawdown in a certain aspect is also good because it teaches you as a trader, if you were to trade personal capital, for example, you don't just blow your whole account and then click. There's no reset button, right? If you blow your personal, you blow it. It's not like a challenge and all that. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. The challenge is also pretty easy, even including the trailing drawdown aspect. But yeah, but I like go for 3-5. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, that could ruin you if you go for 5R and like your trade goes to 3-4 and then goes all the way back. But it depends on your risk as well. how much you're risking per trade. At the same time, but for the challenge cost, and then you go more aggressive on the challenge, and once you're in the funded, you reduce the risk a little. Can work, bro. Can work. Just waiting on the jolts right now. The only thing is that this is NFP week, man. If we're even gonna have an NFP, because of the government shutdown. But the thing is that markets can be a bit boring like this. Because we got the accounts to go hard, man, not to have like sloppy market conditions. Or market movements, I should say. We got 9 people watching, still 5 likes. Make sure to drop your likes. And if you want cheap ass accounts to gamble like me and go hard, use the code Dylan on Apex. Trading is bad if someone is up 1% on a trade, and yeah, that's it, happy. Yeah, I'm not saying it's good, right? I'm not defending it. Of course it is bad for us, but it is what it is, man. If you know how to trade, the game is still favorable for us. And someone actually dropped a like, so appreciate that, legend. But yeah, what are you guys seeing? What are you guys seeing today? Or is any of you in a position? Still looking for DXY high to be taken? I'll show you on a daily. As long as this doesn't get swept, will not be positioning myself on longs in GU and EU yet, as it would be risky to do so. Yeah, they're not looking the best. Maybe some London close action in these two. Okay, yes, is moving. Yes, is moving. Let me know if the music is too loud, guys, as well, or if you can even hear it. YMBI just went big. Break even, but the trail, right? You're not out at break even. Can't even hear me. Okay. Yeah, because the music comes that way behind the mic, so you can't even hear it. But yeah, I guess that's why futures traders go for smaller. Yeah, exactly. That's why I was also kind of thinking at the beginning if I should manage some things, but I just figured out that the moves are also super aggressive, so you can eat well off of those, like 3R, 5R, like you were saying. When you guess the right direction, you could pretty much get big risk reward trades. But then also, once you get to the fund, you gotta meet the consistency rule. So then once you get to that stage, you might consider trailing stop loss, go for less of a risk to reward, things like that. Because then once you got a consistent rule of 30% and you have a 5-hour day, right, you got to repeat that at least 2 times again. I might try an aggressive one here. and YM might come to this efficiency. Looking for shorts, but that's the only thing I can do, man. I'm also thinking about the aggressive approach for NQ for the shorts. I mean, yeah, if it wants to come higher than this efficiency or whatnot. But like, I don't recommend it because we also already tapped the gap. But yeah, I gotta force it. You know, it's not a good thing to do, but I gotta force it. In the sense that I've got plenty of accounts and I gotta either pass them or blow them in these next few days. So yeah, I hope you guys understand and just not look at me like ooh, we got 8 likes. Appreciate y'all for that. Like a crackhead, dopamine addicted to trading ass. But yeah, appreciate you boys for the likes. Got 7 people watching. And we're also looking at futures, forex, sorry, but just that forex doesn't look as interesting right now. Okay. YM tapped it. I'm not trading it directly like this, but just preparing the idea of shorting YM. And if you want to copy me, definitely don't do it whilst it's on YM, bro. I barely can win this pair. And the wins I get, it's when I'm unlucky and I can't position myself on them, or I arrive too late, whatnot. Yesterday I could have had a win here on the shorts that I guessed, but I was too late to position myself. I got some longs here yesterday, but I was taken out to break even right at the market close. Let's see what 2 are. I mean, if I risk 1.5. Let's get to the gambling, boys. Let's see if it reverses or not. But yeah, you guys seeing something? I'm just gonna put it because I gotta because I don't want to be place it again. But yeah, just in case it turns around from here, right? Because it can continue to go up. Okay. NQ flying from here. Same thing with the ES. I might be wrong. I might be wrong, and we might continue to go up throughout the whole day. That is possible. Can you boys hear the music now? Let me know if it's too much. Okay, but is it like bad or? Ah, okay. Let's see. Even then, like M5 shows no entry here. Yes, probably the same as chart. It's good background. Maybe I'll tab that louder. So it's a bit loud, or is it better if it's louder? It's like old school, rare smooth 90s hip hop instrumentals. It's a bit quiet. Yeah, it's actually pretty loud. Like, more louder than me when I'm speaking, but it's just because the microphone, it catches the backside of the microphone, so you don't hear nothing. Nah, it's cool. I throw in a couple bars. Right. Yeah. Gambling. And let's see, man. If I can get one of the 5 accounts, that would be good, I would say. That would be good. Considering I'm gambling, since the market doesn't want to give us some nice trades. Because yesterday... No, not YM. Oh wait, what's this? Yeah, this I predicted perfectly as well. This could have been a challenge pass as well. But it was a break even. No, I'm fucked. Yesterday we was looking for the setup on the call, right? What was it? Yeah, the longs on London calls. Yeah. Or the potential shorts after sweeping the highs, but yeah, man. Unfortunate. That's why the deal is going on this week, because it's harder to trade in these conditions, and market isn't showing as many setups as it would in the normal week, since it's NFP week. But we gotta go hard regardless. Okay, so this is not turning around. Yeah, and if you look at it like this, it is risky. Yeah, but it's a perfect tab here on the order block. So I guess GMS, are you still there, GMS? You eating off these longs, right? Yeah. Who the fuck is this? Page me at 5:46 in the morning. Crack a dumb and now I'm yawning. Wipe the cold on my eyes. See who is this? Page me and why? A nigga pop on the barbershop. Tell me. Yeah, bruh. Boring ass marketing conditions, man. Oh, and it's the jolt right now. So what's up with that? Yes, sir. Nice one, man. Nice one. Wait. So is it the jolts or is it not? I see jolts on TradingView, but I don't see them on Forex Factory. Is it because of the government shutdown? Yeah, bro, hopefully it doesn't just go like this all day. We need to fucking gamble. I don't advise you to do this, but hey, we need to. If some of y'all haven't seen, got plenty of accounts. We got our funded and we got our challenges. Let me know if the music isn't too loud. Wait, why I have it like this? Yeah. I mean, we might be getting a EUGU setup on London Close. It's probable. No, let's see what futures does from here. If ES comes to this efficiency, right? The music is loud as shit for me. I don't know if it is for y'all. But yo, we got 8 likes. If you boys wanna get that up to 10, that would be nice. I would appreciate it. And yeah, man, waiting game. We're coming over to a second efficiency here on NQ, if you can see this one. Right? Let's see. And yeah, another trap for the people that's trying to long EU and GU. It might look decent, but it is avoidable if you guys just look at the XY. Right, if you wanna add the XY to the plan, you check it and it's making like equal highs right now with that high. So if you trade liquidity but then you're positioning yourself against some resistance or some support, then it's kind of against your ideology of strategy. So yeah, sometimes no matter how your setup looks on EUGU, if the XY, right, but you gotta do it on the opposite. You gotta flip the charts for yours. If the XY tells you otherwise, then your EUGU setup might fail. Might work as well, but it's more risky. right now. I would never trade this, but, what option do I got? Come on, boys. Drop your likes, drop your likes. I know the market's currently boring, but we're gonna get a bit more gambling, and then don't worry. If we have to blow another account, we'll blow another account. Just for the content. This NQ, I made myself a sandwich, so I have more energy for this. Okay, okay. Hungry ass motherfucker. As always. Yeah, if NQ does one more sweep to it, comes to this efficiency, lets this low intact, you know, for some structure. Maybe. And perhaps it won't even need to, well, most likely it won't even need to come to this low. It can just come here to test this out if the longs are still valid and give us TP in the meantime. I'm saying that if we decide to short here. Yo, shut the fuck up. Might get fucked with the ads music. Yeah. It's maybe gonna be NQ again. Well, we'll see what it does. If it does like a second sweep to position myself, like I was saying, or if it just continues to go down and we position ourselves on some double breaker structure, something like this, whatnot, or even here, you know. But most likely I'll just risk $1,000 like usual, which is 2% on a 50k, and go for a 1 to 3, get that 6%, get the account funded. Then of course only then take a good and safe approach. But yeah, this is why I'm also like trying to gamble on the opening. Just because if the day's shit like this, can't really do much. I mean, shit for me in a sense of I cannot trade this long move. Pretty sure some SMC trader maybe traded this long. But yeah, anyone that trades gold, silver, that has taken advantage of this drop, or any Bitcoin traders, this is going crazy. What a meltdown. Yeah. Nice heap of liquidity. It's gonna go up from here for sure. I mean, the question is how much, but perhaps not the moon, but some reaction out of this for sure. If you want to gamble on it, like perfect liquidity sweep. Then it depends if he wants to trap the people's long in this and do a second sweep into it and come. Yeah, this one. Let's see. Yes, still hasn't touched the efficiency. It's being a bit slower. Can still give us some structure. Whilst NQ just went, and this YM, it's going nuts. The thing is that YM becomes super slow. It's super fast. It's like on steroids throughout the opening, but then it can become kind of slow. 1-2 hours into the opening. So I'm mostly just focused on it for the opening factor, because it also goes crazy on the opening. But yeah, right now on NQ, I just want to see price. Please go once more up, one more time to the upside, just to give some structure, kind of like what ES is doing. But ES is more chill, it's more slow. It would look something like this. Stop loss on whatever low it makes here. All right, it's doing it. And then 3R. Sup, Daddy, sup. Glad to see new faces in here. Make sure you boys leave your likes. If you want to go hard like me and aggressive on the Apex challenges, make sure you cop one yourself using the code Dylan. And man, $40 per activation fee, that's a fucking steal. So yeah, this is risky. This risky. Mega risky. Switch price action compared to Forex. Low-key wanna try futures too. Yeah, futures price action. There's more price action. There's more action in the price. Because see on how Forex, it's super slow. Sometimes it even gets to your zone, but you still gotta wait an hour just to give you that confirmation. In futures, it just goes. Futures, you can literally trade. You can go trade it 1 hour, 2 hours per day, and be good. And you're gonna get a way more trading frequency. Gonna give you way more opportunities. Price action is gonna be cleaner. It's gonna give you, if you're right, it's gonna give you an instant TP almost. Okay, it's also gonna go crazy. Whether that would be for the good and for the bad, no. And volatile, up and down, but yeah. Maybe go watch my series and you'll see how I transition myself from Forex to futures. I mean, I'm still in Forex, but you can see the amount of success I got on futures from the low span of time that I was in it, and considering my oh shit, man, how do y'all watch all my videos, man? But I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I mean, first, of course, backtest it. Have a feel for it, you know. But you'll see it behaves a lot different. Ah, bruh. Appreciate it. You're making me blush. Nah, appreciate you, man. Yo, my guy Danny, how's the challenges going, man? Two more days to go. We're trying to gamble. We're trying to gamble this and get those sweet $40 what you call PA fees, activation fees. One more like added. Appreciate the legend that did so. Let's try to get it to 10 likes, bare minimum for a stream. I missed the gold move. Yeah, they would have. Yeah, I saw it, man. Some crazy shit happened on gold. Gotta win on London though. Awesome. On gold though, you gotta win on this price section. Maybe another pair, right? Or you're that much of a scalper? Damn. On that price section is crazy, bro. Respect, but this London session looks shit on gold. Not gonna lie, having some eyes on ES though. Looking at ES at the moment. It's risky though. In case it decides to go lower now, I'll position myself on stopper on this block, but I would never position myself on this normally. It's just that, I mean, you know what's going on. There's a promo and we got a bunch of challenges that we got past, man. It's better to trade on multiple FX. No, it's best, depends on your experience, but it's best for you to focus on a single one. You know, you focus on one single pair, you master it, you know how it moves, you know it like the back of your hand, and it becomes easier for you, man. Definitely just focus on one. Max 2, I did EU and GU, but they're similar. So it's like, I wouldn't even consider 2 pairs, it's more like 1.5 pairs. My main is, okay, then just focus on it, you know. I would just say just focus on it. You don't need more trades, you just need less most of the times. You just need to lose less. You know? If you have just a couple of trades, but those couple of trades don't give you as many losses and keep the balance positive, then it's all good. But yeah, just focus on GU then, I would say. And then if you are the kind of guy that swings, for example, and he needs to have a long watch list of forex pairs, yeah, definitely keep it on the major ones as well, because you're not gonna go too tropical in it, and that way you're gonna get fucked by the spreads. Just wanna trade on our funded. Oh, okay. Okay, so that means was the account fresh before the win? Because if you're on profits, then just request it. Just request a payout whatever that win that is, you know. Oh, fresh account, then perfect, bro. Whatever profit you made on it, request it. There you go, man. Even if it's low money, it's amazing because it will completely like change your mindset. Got a win on London, but did not enjoy the trade. To the chop and yeah, that's why I say respect for. I mean, not respect, but yeah, respect for getting a win out of this. But yeah. Not much going on, guys. Not much going on. London closed in about 40 minutes. Let's see what it does. If EUGU still want to get one more sweep to the downside, and then DXY wants to sweep that major liquidity. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I tried to predict the NQ opening was going good till it wasn't, but just on challenge. Okay, we're going just aggressive on challenges, and yeah, not many opportunities. Nor yesterday and today, but because we got the multiple challenges, the good deal going on Apex, we're trying to force it a bit, you know, just trying to force our way into funded, and then on funded we'll chill out and do the good trading. But that's because we're trading futures, and we got a current promotion going on. You know, if we pass it now, then we get $40 on the activation fee, which the normal price is like 140, you know, and by 140 I mean $140. So it's quite a nice deal, you know. That's why we're forcing it. And the challenges are super cheap. So for you, I'm just explaining you that so you don't do the same approach as in Forex. Yeah, go big or go home on challenge accounts. But yeah, even on Forex, it's go big or go home, but it's more like, you know, my approach to Forex challenges, it's 2% risk, say, and I mean, same on futures, but 2% risk, and but you do a good setup. I mean, nowadays I even do a risky setup, but that's just because I also got probabilities on the risky setup, so them playing out. But I'll just keep it like, if you're gonna do the high risk approach, keep your A-class setups on it, take them on the challenge, 2% risk, and then you may get a challenge pass in one trade, right? That happened to me a lot of times. And if the account is fresh, and if you go for a 1 to 4 instead of 1 to 3, depends on your style of trading, of course, your strategy. But yeah, and then you rotate, of course, because then it's gonna be pretty painful if you do high risk on one single account and you just have that one single account. I would just rotate between a few accounts. I'm interested in short gold if I can get a rejection between 975, 985. Oh, up here? Okay. I'm just 1,006. Okay, let's fucking go. Yeah. That's a good plan, Danny. That's a good plan. And I would say if in case you don't, let's say, pass them or whatever, if you're whatever like figure you're from the target, I would just say to just go for it, you know, because I mean, you also got the monthly subscription, which I don't know if you're like early into the challenge or late into it. But yeah, if you don't catch the price activation at 40, you might catch it at 85 in another promotion. Or if you don't catch it, you know, you might, and you do pass the accounts later on, you might have to pay the 140. So yeah, go big or go home, like Teddy said, man. But yeah, you got it, man. You got it. I'm going for it. Yeah, that's the best in my opinion, bro. And you got it. And then, bro, the easiness of just like withdrawing 1.5k from these 50k, which is the minimum you gotta have. to be able to withdraw a payout. And then you gotta meet the consistency rule, but I think the consistency rule is not something that's hard for you, for your style of trading, right? Because you had like multiple trades to get into this this amount of profit, right, Danny? For me, it's a bit different because I'm the type to just have one trade and pass it or something. And not to say it's better or I'm better, you know, it's just a different style of trading. I'll be set on 500k in funding by the end of tomorrow. Really? Wait, you got 250k, right? Or you already got 250k unfunded aside? Or no, you mean 250k now and 250k if you pass them today and you buy another 5, yeah. I'll text you, brother. I'll never. Now, and you see, that's why, like, I got my forex challenge, but like, ever since I discovered this, even if I wasn't a futures trader, but that's why I'm recommending it to y'all. Even if you trade forex, man, go with Apex. Just pay like your challenge cheaper, and just trade on the futures side of the pairs. Like Danny, of course, here he could have been traded gold spot, you know, like XAU USD, but he's on gold futures, which is what this pair is replicating. But in here, you can actually trade on Apex. And if you're EUGU, you can just go to 6E right here on the chart. You can go to 6E, boom, you got EuroFX futures. 6B, you got the British pound, and this is GU, right? You can see GU chart. If I switch over to the CFD one, completely the same, because this one is a replica of the other. And with this, man, you're trading futures prop firms, but on forex pairs. You're still a forex trader, and you can just take advantage of cheap prices, man. Scalability factor, right? Danny is going from 0 to fucking 500k in a couple days, bro. That's crazy. And this is how the guys also have like a crazy amount of payout, like the crazy payouts on futures. Like they do it similar to you, Danny. They get like multiple accounts combined in the trade copier. They do 1 to 3k in each one, and you add that up and it goes crazy. Yeah, I'm fully invested on future now, especially with the cost involved with scale. Exactly, bro, exactly. I'm not just saying this because I got a code with them. Like, you guys can see the fucking scalability factor from it. The prices, and they're just like the top one or one of the top ones in the future space. Let's see this NQ. Perhaps a London close one. But yeah, I'm excited for you, Danny. I'm excited for you. I wanna see that certificate coming in, man. You gotta put it onto the group later on. And the profits. And it's like you said, it feels way better to have multiple accounts and just seeing profit here, profit here, profit here, profit here, profit here. So yeah, if any of you aren't in the Apex wave or futures wave, man, have a look into it. Have a look into it. And you don't even need to change your whole strategy, pair that you trade. Like I said, you can trade Forex on a futures platform. Is it to you on Discord, bro? Small losses on each account helps with psychology, and even though the wins are small, it's 10x. Exactly, bro. Exactly, because You're used to trade like a you were on a 1 million funded account or whatnot, right? When we last spoke, when I was in Thailand, like a long time ago. But yeah, small accounts. Sometimes you're trading the same capital, but just because it's a smaller account, you behave yourself different. Even though in the back they're all being copied between each other. But yeah, bro, just imagine, bro. Just imagine. You're trading your 5 accounts or even 10 accounts, depending on how this goes today and tomorrow, right? And bro, you reach the payout requirements. You have your 10 minimum trading days. You have your consistency rule. You have made like 1.5k, and then there's like 1.5k times 10, bro. Psh. Not to try and gas you and put you on dreamland, you know, but that's the reality of it. I'm maybe gonna put a risk trade here. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. On a fresh challenge. Yeah, ES doesn't look as good. YM, yeah, whatever. It might work, it might not. It isn't the best looking, but I gotta take whatever comes my way, even if it's risky, super risky. Give me just a second, boys. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I'm back. Thoughts on UJ? Let me have a look at it. UJ, I think it's a nice pair recently. I think a student told me so. Oh, okay. I mean, clear shorts on Asia session. I'm just not saying this because the chart's already printed, right? It's easy to guess, but you had not previous daily low, not previous daily high, sorry, but a couple days ago, Thursday high, making resistance with another day, with Friday, we sweep it and then we go immediately short from there. In these kind of pairs, sometimes there's not a smart money trap, meaning there's not an additional sweep to it. Let me check the lower time frame, seeing if there was, it was just one sweep and completely changing directions. Right now, I'm seeing just on the hourly, we might be bullish. And so we're sweeping liquidity right here. We're coming to an efficiency here of this block. Not yet. We might still sweep something on London. Come here. And yeah, then retrace back up. So perhaps I would be looking for longs here right now, as of right now. Yeah, and it's bullish. And if you look at the XY, because this pair, it's the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So it's like positive correlated to the DXY. And so the XY, you have a major liquidity just above, which I'm looking for it to get taken. Which in a sense also means buys. This is playing around. Even if you make 150 per account on average daily, if you have 20 trading days with 10 accounts, that's 3k per account, 30k. Yeah, man. That's why I'm saying it can go crazy. It can go crazy. And for you guys that's interested, or even Danny that's already on it, like my strategy now when it comes to it is whenever they got a promo going on, I'll just go heavy on the challenges. Build a foundation, like get more accounts, because you can get 20 at total, right? Unless you use some strategy like Danny, where you just use a trade copier and you have all the accounts trading together. For me, it's a bit different. But yeah, go heavy into challenges. And whenever there's not a promo going on, and there's always promos going on, by the way, but this one is super good. It's exceptional. And whenever there's not a promo season going on, I focus on the funded. And so you're building a foundation, right? It's not getting funded and immediately focusing on making money, rushing the process. Slow and steady. Build a nice foundation on it, you know? Couple funded accounts here and there. The more you build, the more better off your psychology will be. Then, boom, you're good. And whenever there's I would see a promo going on, you take advantage of the fact that the challenges are cheap and the price activations is cheap. Whenever there's not, you focus on the funded. What trade copy you use, bro? I mean, maybe you're asking Danny, because I don't use one. I took the sell on Asia, 80 pips. Yeah. Oh my god. You see, GMS, you got it, man. You seem to be having the skill. Just need to fix that damn psychology, man. Which you shouldn't be having. I mean, we all have it, but yeah. But going on tilt, man. One time, okay. Multiple times. Because you got to change your whole mindset into thinking that you're a profitable trader. And you can't be saying I'm a profitable trader whilst also doing something that you know it's clearly not a profitable trader behavior. So if you need to and you haven't, or if you guys haven't checked it, go into my description and there's like second link in the description. And we got 10 likes. Thank you, boys. Oh no, not in this video. Not in this live stream, but I got in my other videos, I got a second link in the description where it's a whole psychology video, 1 hour long of just psychology course of what I learned to be most important when it comes to psychology. I think you guys should check it, because psychology is a whole mindset shift, really. told me messing up. Too anxious. Okay. Oh, you already watched it. That's good. Thank you, bro. Yeah, if you're anxious about it, then you're exactly like me, which is more of a reason to just check it. Mm. Yeah, man. Don't give me boring markets, man. Like, I don't mind it. I know when not to trade, you know? The markets aren't looking good. All right, step back. Go do something else. Don't live for the charts. But we're trying to go hard. We're trying to scale in this moment. It's me holding back. Stressful feeling. I know exactly how that feels, brother. I've been years into it. But I can't really give you a personalized advice to your situation as I don't know it unless you were to be my student. But that's why I'm saying go watch that video, because it seems that you are on the my side of the coin in the situation. Because I normally say there's usually like the traders that are too dopamine addict and they need to just trade less and learn how to be patient, and there's the other side where it's more like unconfident, anxious, you know, need to be taking more risk, need to trust themselves more. And if you're on that side of the spectrum, you're exactly where I was in your position. And look how far I've came. You know, I'm gambling on these bitches, on these challenges. I'm literally gambling, full porting them. You know, I used to be anxious, thinking like my whole life before I even position a trade on a challenge on CFD. A position, a trade, a 1% trade on a challenge, bro. Yeah, man. I see you soon. Thank you for hopping in. And yeah, I think it's all. I mean, all of us or every single one that's watching this, it's his goal to escape the 9 to 5 or school or whatever he's in. But yeah, man, have a good one and see you on the next one. We're back Thursday for sure. And hopefully with some extra funded accounts. Right? Gonna scale this. But man, I may have to become a scalper, or I don't know, man. Fuck, I still got 3 accounts to go. Still 3 accounts that's fresh. And in case I lose this one, it doesn't necessarily mean I blow the account. Still got one more chance on it. Come on, gold is just a bit higher and reject. Yeah. Yeah. You might get that. And then if you get a TP, that's 5 trades in the bank, right? Then it's on to other 5. Man, it's just gonna be crazy. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if the shorts play out on this. Even if I do get in, I don't think it's something that I will be able to show the whole progress on stream, unless it's a straight stop loss. Would love to show y'all, but markets just seems to be slow, and I'm not staying in here till 10 p.m. I'm sorry, guys. I don't want to enter now, as my stop loss range will be too high to target the low of. Yeah. Just do it as you should be doing, bro. With the way you trade and the way you close the way you close to it, you know, to the overall target. Just do it how you do it. I usually do it. Keep it safe. I'm going aggressive, but that's me trading fresh challenges, right? You already built something on it. Let's see. It's looking like I might be activated. Just probably here a little bit. Wait. Can be a sad one where it just tags me in and then goes straight to my stop loss, right? I'm not dreaming, guys. I accept losses even before I click the button of buying or selling. Okay. Even if I miss this move, I'm not gonna be FOMO into it. I'm going to take your trade as well. What you mean you're gonna take my trade as well? Nah, bruh, don't take this. I don't want your blood in my hands, bruh. Nah, bruh. Stay out of this. I would love to give you guys something better, but this ain't it, bruh. This ain't it. Low risk. Alright, bro. Cause I don't even know if we're gonna move. We might not move like enough. Even if I'm correct, we might not move enough till this point. It's gonna become London close, which is usually a retracement of the day, right? New York went up, so we might get the London close to do the opposite. Now the question is, will the market move enough to give us a TP, even if we're correct? Because we need to get it before the market actually closes. And hopefully it's not a sad one, like I was saying, where it just tags me in on stop, whoop, and goes back up. But yeah, seeing others, yeah, this ain't my type of trade, but I mean, for the good sense, we're coming to an efficiency point. Okay, we're bearish because, I mean, even though we swept here and tagged the gap, we might still be going more to the downside to fill it even more. And if we're going to high time frames like H4, we can still come here and come to test this efficiency. We already have done so in ES and YM, right? This same efficiency, but on NQ we haven't, and this may still continue to go lower. But let's see. Bro, even if I get a top up to come into my target, that will help. Yeah, maybe, bro. I am in, and let's see how this goes. Question will be if this is a trap or if this is legit, at least for today. And as far as the others, nah, nothing. That day, bro, that day. That's why I imagine if I was trading Forex, I don't know, because I was too deep into the aggressive trades of EU and GU, because the trade frequency wasn't there. And if I look at this month, I mean, I've been traveling a lot, but the last EU trade I took, or Forex one, was yesterday, but besides that, it was like start of October, man. I think for October I only took three FX trades. Just crazy. But hey, quality over quantity, and it was profitable for FX and futures. It was a good month. October was a good month. We drop in. Yeah, the USD cut, we was waiting on some shorts, but the setup became kind of ugly. As soon as we had swept kind of this, I mean, it became a resistance. Then I was just waiting on this to be broken, and then I would short. But as soon as it started to go way up, and I have no structure here on the left to position myself, I kind of left it. Right now you can see it's going down, but don't know. It's not so good. And this isn't a trade, isn't a pair which I'm used to trade. So it'd be better to just see what I want to see in my strategy in these cases. But it is a good higher time frame zone on a USD card, as you can see. Just swept this previous monthly high. That's this high of the structure. And yeah, here we have an equal low, so it might go from one liquidity to another. The XY is still bullish though. That's the only thing as well. We've seen the XY is still bullish, so we could still go up. And there is an efficiency here, which I've marked up from the past, which we can go to, of course. But yeah. How is this looking? Still the same. Okay. Are you still there, Dino? Who's still on alive? We got 5 people. If you haven't still dropped your like, make sure to do it. Makes me feel better about these lives. To bring you another one. Future. Okay, some legend did it. Alright, you're a fucking legend, bro. You're a fucking legend. Whoever you are, you're a legend. Yeah, is your TP bottom of range? Yeah, the TP is on London lows. Yeah. It perfectly matches with my stop loss, you know. With my 3R. 3R target. So yeah. But I don't know, man. If you want to go for your respective areas or risk reward, you know, price can easily come here. I can see it come here, and maybe whatever he wants to do here, he might go back up or go straight down, making this a trap. What I'm expecting it to be. I mean, it could work both ways. It can be slow and not give a full win here today. Yeah, just follow. Just put your ideology in it, I would say. And I mean, if price goes here, would you get the counts passed? If you held it full? It seems to be going well. But we're not celebrating shit though. That's another psychology tip I'll give y'all. This looks good, but until you're out of the trade, until that TP gets hit, you don't celebrate. You don't even think, you don't even dream about the 3R. Alright? Even if it's looking super good. No, it only took 5 contracts. What do you mean? But it depends. Do you have the same stop loss size as me? Or you put it way bigger? Cause like 5 contracts. I got 8, bro. I got 8 and I'm gonna make 3K. Yeah, this mini as well. This is micro actually. Hey, at least you'll get a little push, a little small push into that funded side. But yeah, let's see how this behaves. Cause we're not celebrating until then. And as far as other pairs, you boys let me know if I got some forex traders on that side that's watching some other pairs, but I'm not seeing much. Well, this EU was kind of tradable. It was a trap, but because of the DXY, I didn't take it. What's up, Wick? Why is my NQ different from yours? Oh, that's not a good sign, bro. Oh, that's not a good sign, bro. Don't tell me it's happening what happened to me when I was in Asia. That ES was different from micro ES. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, the chart. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this chart seems pretty similar. Seems like the same, bro. But like, from what you're saying, it's kind of reminding me of what happened. Exactly. But Danny took it on the ES instead of NQ. But they move kind of similar. But yeah, NQ seems to be moving better. That's why maybe your target is way lower on the dollar figure than mine. Because I'm risking just a bit more than you, just a couple more contracts than you, and I'm getting like the triple of profit. But now, Wick, what I'm saying is that when I was like a couple of weeks ago, I was trading. It happened to me twice actually. While I was trading ES and I was trading micro ES, and the ES chart was different. Well, it didn't make sense. Like the same pair, it's different. It's moving different. Like I was shorting on micro ES, for example, but on ES we never did mass setup. We never sweep the highs, for example. And I was trading something that I would never on ES, but on micro ES it looks clean. That was a scam. That was a scam in the markets. So yeah, right now it's coming back. Let's see if it respects our entry block or if it's straight stop loss. Yeah, the NQ1 looks... Let me see again. Yeah, it looks better than... Yeah, because also, Danny, the thing is, with NQ, you still have like a bunch of the gap to fill. Like a large portion of the gap still yet to be filled. and the high time frame efficiency, whereas ES already filled that same gap here. But yo, they can both do the same thing. Just that NQ has more confluence on that side to go down. Oh yeah, my Nasdaq is same as yours, but when I go to mini NQ is the oh maybe no, but I was just checking NQ. It's on the same price. Yeah, seems the same to me. What up in this? Benjamin 5 in the morning. Rock a number, I don't know how much music I can play in this stream without getting copyright. Without. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. That's because you're unprofitable. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's get it. Who's sharing stuff in here? Alright, shout out Jeffrey. Shout out Jeffrey. You boys need to post more in this Discord. I know it's kind of been dying out. Yeah, man. Wait. Let me put Jeffrey at least a little bit. Soldier. If you post stuff, you're a soldier for sure. And this Grow Limitless has been on fire. Shout out Grow Limitless. Another one from Nepal. Yo, we still got 6 people on live, 11 likes. Appreciate y'all for that. If you're a futures trader, or even if you're a forex trader, do not hesitate in using the code Dylan on Apex. You can get a massive discount. There's a massive discount going on if you want to take advantage, as we're doing so right here. Trying to get funded for $40. I mean, excluding the challenge price, which may be $20, $30 or whatever it is. For a $50,000 account, not a 10K, 50,000. Yeah, anyone in any trades? We're currently on this NQ short, but is anyone trading something? Forex is still dead. This EU. And place the other on in queue if it comes back to entry. I mean, the way it's looking, bro, I don't know. I don't know, bro. You should have kept it because they both kind of correlated. Came close, but not too much. Oh, yeah, I couldn't see your order was exactly kind of like mine. Yeah, exactly on the block. But yeah, I mean, it can still come and still be valid, of course. I don't know, let's see. But either way, your gold seems to be going there. So you might have the gold. So if you have the gold, there might be no need for you to be on this trade. What about you, Wick? Anything today? Has your pair Australian dollar been paying you out or what? Yeah, track gold, track gold. Fuck off. Yeah, because it's just like what on a trend. Yeah, I'm having a quick look at it. And yeah, not much that's tradable really. Oh yeah, and you had the gap here. Yeah. Do you trade Asia in here or just New York? Just New York? Yeah. I mean, you can get some nice Asian moves in those pairs. Let me know if the music's not too loud. Just old school hip hop beats. Just so I don't get copyright or something. Not that I'm worried about the copyrights, but they might shut down the stream. Yeah, man. This looking decent, but like I said, not sure if we'll, even if it goes our way, if we'll get that get a TP on stream. But we're 8 people. Come on, man. We're more people than before. Is people coming back from their jobs? Or what, man? Or school? You know, let me know. The fuck? We took this on live just a few minutes ago. And yeah, we're trying to get as much funded as possible. We got a couple accounts, couple challenges, couple funded. Trying to build that funded foundation, get as much funded as possible. Trying to take advantage of this nice promo that Apex got going on, where it's just like $40 for a funded account. So yeah, we're stacking them, and as soon as the challenge, the promo ends, which is on Wednesday night, we're going back to the funded accounts, trade them, and go from there. But in these times when Apex drops something, then we go hard on challenges, try to take advantage, get some nice cheap prices on the accounts, and Yeah. Let's see, we're 1K up on this. 2/3 to go. And this is for a 1 challenge pass, right? This is on a fresh account for a 3K target, 1 trade, challenge pass. That's how I usually do it, because I don't really care too much about the challenges, and my style of trading allows me to do so. Because I'm not a scalper. What about you, Danny? Still, yeah, slow. But yeah, what about the rest of you guys, man? We got 9 people in here. Who else is watching? And what pairs are you guys seeing at the moment? Yeah, still waiting. I can see that, bro. But that's good. And I mean, nah. I was about to say maybe some waiting on UJ. Yeah, that's true. I forgot about it. I forgot about it, but yeah. And then because UJ, Asia is gonna come around. Asia might be good. Yeah. The problem is it might sweep something. Asia session might sweep something. It might sweep London close. But if not, then yeah, this looks decent. As it's London close right now. Sweep of these lows, come to an efficiency in high time frame that we looked at previously. And if everything's good, and yeah, I'll take this for sure as well. My trade might be a quick stop loss if it doesn't go to plan. The gold one. I mean, what do you mean if it doesn't go to plan? If you don't follow your plan, or if it doesn't go to plan of being a TP and pass your accounts? And like I said on this, it's on profit clearly, but that doesn't mean shit, right? It can still be a stop loss. Okay? And even if the motherfucker is right here, don't start to dream about it. It can still be a stop loss. Okay? Till this motherfucker gets hit, don't dream about it. Yeah, the gold trade. I'm not in it yet, but I'll take the trade. Oh yeah, I mean, if there's risk. If that's that side of risk, then okay. Yeah. I mean, it's like my futures trade. I know if I'm wrong, I'm stopped out in seconds. God damn. And crypto, this would have been like a perfect forex trade if I was trading crypto. Sweep of this. This already swept like a huge amount of liquidity. Now it's 1 sweep, 2 sweeps, and then boom, take this. That, bro. Rather than saying enjoy. Yeah. Exactly. If I'm wrong, just let me know. Should have had. But on futures sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes it's like seconds though. Let me relax a little bit, you know? Just that it's cool for you to say yeah, you're wrong. But tell me in a few minutes, don't just give me a slap like I've gotten before, where I position myself and 10 seconds later I'm already at stop loss. But nah, it's whatever. I'm checking the pairs, but nothing much, boys. Oh, gold. Gold is there. I won't distract you that much. Alright, good luck. Good luck, Danny. If you manage to get it. Yeah. I know you want to see the rejection. I'm just saying. I'm just saying it's in the zone. It's in the level. So you gotta keep an eye on it. But yeah, boys. We're in this. Let's see how it goes. Mark it on your fucking charts. If you see price go here still today, you'll see me having one more funded account. And we are on 12 likes, so appreciate the person that gave an extra like just now. And I now wish I traded in the... Told you, bro, better to leave it. But even then, it's decent, but it's not as good as NQ. Gotta pay attention, bruh. But nah, it's easy to get yourself confused when it comes to ES and NQ. But yeah, boys, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure you tune in to Thursdays and Fridays as well, as we'll continue to do so. Keep coming in, keep dropping likes. I might do a Apex giveaway soon. But if you boys want to take advantage of the massive deal, make sure to use the code Dylan. Try to get funded like I am doing right now with them. So yeah, boys, wish me luck on this. If you're also in, then let's hope for the best. Another like. Thank you. You guys are legends. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the stream. I think you all should take advantage of this. Often it doesn't come around that often. Also, if you're aggressive with it, you could make a lot of money. Yeah. It's like Danny says. And he has no affiliation with it. Just taking advantage of this. Like I am, right? I have a code and everything, but I'm really doing this shit. Appreciate you, Wick, for the good luck. But yeah, it is a massive opportunity due to how cheap the opportunity is and how much you can scale. Especially if you got a bit of capital, right? It doesn't need to be a lot. Just even $100 or a couple $100. That depends on your situation. But yeah, boys, I'll leave you on. It's been like a bit of a boring day, but we're in this and it's going decent so far, I should say. So yeah, good luck to y'all if you're still in positions. Let me check this gold. Yeah, let's see, and keep me updated on your challenge performance, Danny. All right, boys, thank you for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.